Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to auto-click ads. Add your proxies in the Proxy Center. Then add devices in the Device Center. You can see more details in the former video. After that, we can create tasks. I'll create a Google task. You can also create a Browse Directly task. Thread means how many windows will open to run tasks at a time. Add the target URL and the keyword. Then choose the device and proxy. Be attention that the proxy here will not affect if you've bound proxies to devices before. Next, add some custom operations. To avoid detection, we recommend you browse the website instead of clicking ads directly. Add a try-catch operation which is similar to if else. About try-catch. If you add a try-catch, the software will first try to run the module and try. If it cannot run normally, the software will jump to run the module and catch. You can also not add any modules to the catch. In this case, the software will only try to run the modules and try. Even if it fails, it will not report an error but will continue to run the normal modules below. Then add a click operation. Set up the element to click. The default is JS click. You can also use real mouse click. Add a sleep operation and set up the time. Next, add an auto scroll operation. Then sleep operation. After that, add a try-catch operation and a click operation. Set up the ads element to click. The coordinates are calculated from the upper left corner of the red box. And X is the pixel from left to right, Y is the pixel from top to bottom. Please remember to change the scale to 100% before counting the pixels. Next, change JavaScript click into real mouse click. Lastly, add some operations as you wish, like a random click on the ads page or something else. Click Schedule to set up the run type and how many times to run. That's all I want to show you today. Thanks for watching.